The purpose of the Four-L retrospective is to reflect on past events as a group and create an action plan for the future. Remember, you can use this template whether your team is in the same room or spread around the world. The retrospective asks 4 key questions: what we liked, what we learnt, what we lacked, and what we longed for. Answering these questions should clarify where teams stand. So when it comes to actually creating a Four-L retrospective, all we have to do is type in the search templates bar, 4, and there it is. Here is where we can actually customize our template. You can change the name, objectives, and overall processes involved in the actual creation of the map itself. So for example, if we head to the brainstorm stage here, you can see that we can change who can actually add the ideas, so you can make it available to everyone to add their own ideas, or the facilitator only. With the brainstorm style, you can change it from collaborative, where participants can see each other's ideas, to individual, where participants can only see their own ideas that they're plotting. You can also change things like the voting stage, so you can give participants a number of votes, any amount that you wish. And also, let's say if you want some more honest answers, you can actually turn anonymity off so that participants' names are revealed, and yeah, hopefully you'll get some more honest answers. So you as the facilitator can basically go through here and pick and choose what applies to you and create the map that suits you best. Once you've made your customization decisions, head to the bottom and click Create. And the map's quickly and easily generated for us. Now if we want to invite participants, which you probably will, head to the top right here, click Invite, and you can send them the map via email address, or you can actually send them a map ID link or a regular link. So now, just to display the real-time aspect of GroupMap, let's say that this here is the facilitator and this is the participant. So, in real time, as the participant enters their answers, the facilitator can obviously see. Participants can add descriptions to each of their ideas, they can add images, and depending on the level of anonymity and collaboration you chose in the customization phase, will obviously depend on how much participants can interact with each other. It should be mentioned that at any stage, if you do want to re-customize the map, you can click on the top toolbar here, and Customize takes you straight back to that page where you can choose on options there. So if we move on to the grouping stage here, the facilitator can group some ideas as one. Let's say that we think idea 1 and 2 can pretty much be summarized as idea 1. There we go, it's grouped into one. But we can also deselect that. So moving on to the voting stage, depending on how many votes you allowed your participants to allocate, they can add it to the ideas that they preferred most. The action phase also allows the facilitator to add an action to any particular person and actually allocate a time for that to be completed by. So these voting stages, action stages, and all these ideas that participants have plotted will all be available in the final results and reports. So as facilitator, when you enter the final results page, you can actually organize sorting ideas by votes so that the ideas that participants liked most will actually head to the top there. So now that we've reached the results tab up the top here, this is a great opportunity for groups to just sit back and review what's been decided. In our voting and action stages, we might have added some actions to be taken, and we can see which ideas were most highly voted. So this is a great time for groups to just sit back and review before we head on to the reports stage. To find reports, head to the top toolbar on the left-hand side here, the drop-down menu, and reports is the fourth one down. So here we can actually see all of the ideas that have been plotted, any brainstorming, grouping, or voting stages. Here we can actually download our results as a JPEG or PDF file. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If you did enjoy it, please don't hesitate to check out some of our other videos to help your teams think better together.